Did you know that one of the most powerful remedies for cold and throat discomfort is probably sitting in your spice rack right now? Cloves, those small, nail-shaped flower buds, have been treasured for centuries, not just for their flavor, but for their remarkable health benefits. Traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and Chinese herbal therapy have long used cloves to ease respiratory problems, soothe sore throats, and calm persistent coughs. But what does modern science say? Research shows that cloves are rich in eugenol, an active compound known for its strong antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. This means cloves don't just mask symptoms, they help the body fight the root cause of infections. They also contain antioxidants that support your immune system, making it easier to recover faster. In this video, we'll explore the science behind these tiny but mighty buds and break down practical, easy-to-follow ways you can use them, from teas to syrups and even steam inhalation, to get natural relief from cold, cough, and sore throat. By the end, you'll see why adding cloves to your wellness routine is a smart, science-backed choice. Let's start with one of the gentlest remedies, clove tea. Picture this. It's a cool evening and your throat feels scratchy. A cup of clove tea can feel like a warm hug. When you simmer whole cloves in water, their natural oils infuse into the liquid, creating a soothing drink that calms irritation and reduces swelling in the throat. What makes this tea even better is adding honey and lemon. Honey acts like a natural coat for your throat, calming the tickle that causes coughing, while lemon provides vitamin C to strengthen your immune response. The warmth of the tea itself relaxes tense muscles and helps break down mucus, making it easier to breathe. To make it, boil 4 to 5 cloves in a cup of water for 10 minutes. Strain and sip slowly while it's still warm. Do this 2 to 3 times a day when you're feeling under the weather. Many families have passed down this simple recipe for generations because it works, and it's a safe, comforting option for almost everyone. The next one is clove and honey. If you're struggling with a persistent cough, especially at night, clove and honey syrup can be a game changer. Think of it as nature's own medicine, simple and effective. Honey is already famous for soothing the throat and reducing cough frequency, especially in children. Now combine it with cloves, a spice that brings antibacterial and anti-inflammatory power, and you have a potent remedy. Making it is easy. Crush a few cloves and stir them into raw honey. Let the mixture sit for a few hours to allow the oils to infuse. When you take a spoonful, the honey coats your throat while the cloves gently numb and calm irritation. Take a teaspoon whenever you feel that tickle or before bedtime to keep nighttime coughing at bay. Parents love this remedy because it's safe for kids over 1 year old and avoids the chemicals found in over-the-counter syrups. Studies even show honey can be as effective as some commercial cough medicines. This natural syrup is not only effective but delicious, turning medicine time into a treat. Another great way is clove steam inhalation for congestion. Now let's talk about that heavy blocked feeling in your nose and chest. Steam inhalation is an age-old remedy, and when you add cloves, it becomes even more powerful. When you crush cloves and add them to hot water, the steam carries their essential oils straight into your airways. As you lean over the bowl, towel over your head, you breathe in warm, aromatic vapors that loosen mucus, moisten dry passages, and open your breathing. It's like giving your lungs and sinuses a gentle cleanse. This method works especially well before bedtime, helping you rest easier. To try it, add 5 crushed cloves to a bowl of boiling water. Sit comfortably, cover your head with a towel, and breathe deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. Always be cautious with the heat to avoid burns. Many people find instant relief from congestion, and it's a simple practice that can be repeated as needed. It's fascinating how something as simple as steam and spice can make such a big difference to your breathing. The next tip is clove gargle for sore throats. Sometimes the pain is focused right in the throat, making it hard to swallow or even talk. A clove gargle can be your answer. This is a very targeted remedy, and it's incredibly simple. When you boil cloves in water, you create a natural antiseptic solution. Once cooled to a warm temperature, use it to gargle for about 30 seconds, 2 to 3 times a day. As you tilt your head back and gargle, the warm clove water reaches the inflamed tissues, reducing bacteria and soothing pain. For even better results, add a pinch of salt to enhance its cleansing effect. This remedy is especially helpful for tonsillitis or when you feel the first signs of a sore throat. It's quick, safe, and something you can do alongside other remedies like tea or syrup. Many people are surprised at how much relief a simple gargle can bring. Next is chewing whole cloves for instant relief. There are times when you're on the go and you need quick relief. This is where chewing whole cloves comes in handy. It's an old-fashioned but effective trick. When you gently chew on a clove, it releases its natural oils right into your mouth and throat. The taste is strong and slightly numbing, which is exactly what you want when your throat feels raw or you're fighting the urge to cough. Just pop 1 or 2 cloves in your mouth, chew slowly and let the juices coat your throat. This not only soothes irritation, but also freshens your breath and fights bacteria in your mouth. Many public speakers and singers use this little trick before going on stage. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Too many cloves can cause irritation, so keep it minimal. It's a quick, natural fix that works when you need something fast. The last one is adding cloves in your daily diet to build immunity. Cloves can be part of your everyday meals, and this simple habit can make your immune system stronger over time. Think of cloves as tiny protectors, quietly working in the background. They are packed with antioxidants that protect your cells and reduce inflammation. Adding a pinch of ground cloves to your morning tea, sprinkling them into soups, or using them in cooking, like curries, rice dishes, or even desserts, can make a big difference. Many cultures have done this for centuries, not just for taste but for health. The key is consistency. By including cloves regularly, you're giving your body a steady supply of compounds that help fight off infections naturally. Research even shows that antioxidants like those in cloves can help reduce the severity and duration of colds. So don't wait for symptoms to appear. Make cloves a small but regular part of your diet. Prevention, after all, is the best medicine. Here is what to keep in mind. Cloves are incredibly powerful, but like all natural remedies, they must be used wisely. While they are generally safe for most people, there are some things you should keep in mind to avoid discomfort or harm. Cloves contain a strong compound called eugenol, which, in high amounts, can irritate the mouth, cause a burning sensation, or upset the stomach. For this reason, always stick to small, controlled amounts. For example, when drinking clove tea, 2 to 3 whole cloves per cup is enough. More is not necessarily better. If you're using clove oil, never apply it undiluted directly to your skin or mouth. It's very concentrated and can cause irritation or even burns. Instead, dilute a drop or 2 with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil before using it. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should be especially cautious and check with a healthcare professional before adding cloves medicinally to their diet. Children under 1 year should not be given clove remedies, especially with honey. If you are on blood-thinning medications or have a bleeding disorder, use cloves sparingly as eugenol can thin the blood slightly. Remember, cloves are a wonderful ally when used with care. Start small, watch how your body responds, and always choose quality, fresh cloves for the best results. In summary, cloves may be tiny, but their healing power is incredible when used the right way. Just a few cloves in tea or a gentle gargle can bring natural comfort to a sore throat, ease coughing, and support your immune system. Remember, keep it simple and use small amounts for the best results. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Have you tried cloves before? What worked best for you? And if you want more easy, natural health tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a new one. Nature has so much to offer, and I'm excited to keep sharing it with you. Take care and see you in the next video.